How's it going, guys? My name is Ron and this is my 92 Honda Civic project car, and this is what happens when your wife says you're working on the car too much. So today's video, we've got the quarter panel right here actually going back on, so you can have it all fitted up. I already sanded all of it, and I've been modifying the inside so this lays underneath, that way I can weld it up to it. And over here, yep, it's pretty much ready to go. Just making sure before I go, and then yeah, we're finally there. After this, I mean, we're into paint, and then the motor should be back. Motor hasn't come back yet. I just called them the other day and they still haven't received any blocks back from Darton yet, so I'm still waiting on that. But let's look at some of the paints I've just received. I got some rubberized undercoating. I used it already on something just to give it a shot. It works really well. I tried to scrape it off, held on. These are internal frame. It comes with the hose, so you can stick it down right. Obviously I welded inside some framing. I'm not going to be able to spray in the inside, so this comes with a little small hose attachment right there, and then it sprays the paint out. Do that, and then some of my new sound matting showed up, so that's exciting. So we can start sound matting all that. Unfortunately, that all took 2 weeks, and that's why the video is taking so long to come out. Big old can of Bondo. So here it is. It's all put together. Obviously I'm gonna have to tap it into place and everything while I'm doing it. So we're gonna start somewhere, I haven't decided yet, and then kind of go. So here we go. Well, check that out. Obviously I'm not done, but I think that's gonna be it for recording of it today. And then obviously you can see some gaps still need to fill. This is actually dished down, so I'm gonna have to fill this in to make it smooth. You know, just a good transition. Again, this is not gonna be a show car. This is me throwing something together. But it is my car, so I still want to do a good job. And then cut this out, clean that up. Besides that, scraping all the black tar out, about to start hand scuffing everything in here to get it ready for paint, because that is Once this is done, oh, there is a spot over there. But once that is done, it is time to paint. And that's the part I've been excited about for a while now. Right here. This is the last spot I could find. As you can see, I went through, kind of scraped it, make sure there's a hole there. That's a little JB Weld won't fix, you know what I'm saying? But this right here, that's pretty bad. So I'm gonna cut that out, fix that, and then that's gonna be it. See that right there? Hoping I can make it look that good. Alright, let's talk about some other stuff. Let's talk about the windshield. And no, my wife did not come in here and get mad at me and smash the windshield. I just thought that was a funny intro. As you can see, coming apart. Got it pretty loose. I'm not gonna grab it, you know, glass. But here's my tools for removal. A hammer and 2 screwdrivers. It's worked out so far. I've been working on it about 10 minutes now. But yeah, you know, see what happens when she gets mad. Also, I got this. It's called the Creeper Z. You pull the pin here, lays flat, pull the pin up, and then, you know, you got a seat. It was really nice, very helpful to work on that. So $45, totally worth it. Well, I haven't done that in a while. My battery died while I was talking about the Creeper over there. Haha. What's up, Creeper? Anyways, I'm gonna keep working on this and that back there. Paint will probably be coming a little later. So I'm waiting on the motor. I still got to pay for the other half of the sleeving. So paint's a little on the back side right now because I've been working on something which will be coming out within the next 2 weeks. I'm sorry, it's gonna be a while, but on the 1st, look for our September update, because that's when you'll know why I don't have money for paint. So thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do. I shouldn't touch that. And we're gonna wanna watch what's coming up very soon in the next coming weeks. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.